Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the domain is already active on Hostinger and that DNS points correctly. This avoids validation delays. Once done, sign into hPanel, go to the SSL section and choose free or paid SSL. Explain why. Free is automated, paid gives warranty and longer validity. Make sure billing details are set if you select paid. Next, click Add Certificate to start validation. You're now past prep and initiating the issuance process, which triggers domain verification steps. You now perform domain validation. Choose DNS-TXT for full control or HTTP file for quick webroot validation. If you pick DNS, copy the exact TXT record Hostinger gives and add it to your domain's DNS zone, then wait for propagation. If you pick HTTP, upload the verification file to public HTML or let Hostinger auto-deploy if available. Once Hostinger detects the record or file, the certificate will be issued. Make sure to monitor the validation. You finish by enabling SSL in hPanel and forcing HTTPS so all traffic uses the new certificate. Update. htaccess if you need redirects. Then test in a browser and use an SSL checker to verify the certificate chain and expiry. If something fails, revalidate the DNS-TXT or HTTP file, wait for DNS propagation, clear CDN and browser cache, and reissue the certificate from Hostinger. One key troubleshooting tip. DNS propagation is the most common delay. Always confirm the TXT exists publicly before reissuing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.